Hi guys, I hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure account lockout policies in Windows Server 2019. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, open your server manager. Okay, this is server manager. And go to tools. Here we have an option which is group policy management. Click on that. And maximize, and this is my domain, and here I have under domain I have default domain policy. Right click on that and edit, and now under computer configuration, open expand policies folder. Okay, and then after that you should click Windows setting, expand Windows setting. Okay, let me. And under Windows setting, we have another which is security setting. Okay, expand this option, and under security setting we have account policies, and we have local policies. We have event logs, and under account policies we have password policy, which I covered in the previous videos. And this video I am going to show you how to configure account lockout policies in Windows Server 2019. Okay, click on account lockout policy, and here we have three things, which is account lockout duration, account lockout threshold, and reset accounts. First, click on the account lockout, which is the default invalid login attempt is which is 0. So if you enter an invalid password, how many times you are allowed to enter invalid login? So I'm going to set into 0, 3, and click apply. Okay, and okay, and account lockout duration, which is 30 minutes, is okay, and reset account lockout counter after how many times you can reset account lockout counter. Okay, which is 30 seconds. I can make it, for example, 1 minute. Okay, and click OK, click OK. That's how you can configure account lockout policies on Windows Server 2019. I hope you like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you out with that. See you in the next video.